Yeah, okay. Summary of these words and sentences. So we have here firstly, we have طالب, we have مدرس, we have طبيب, we have مصري, we have Turki, we have Suri. Right? So we have the word before it, we have أنا, أنت, هو. Right? You can see that هو, أنت, هو. Right? We're gonna combine these. You're gonna combine these things together. For example, أنا طالب. Right? أنت مدرسة. أنت مدرس. أو أنت مدرس. Sorry. أنت مدرس. أنت طبيب. Or you could mix and match as you want, right? You can mix and match as you want, because Anna obviously is universal. We have it there on this side, and we have it here on this side for the females, right? Anna is universal, right? But obviously, with regard to anta and anti, is specific to male and female. Huwa, here, specific to male and female. This is a good page to have screenshotted. I actually did screenshot it for you, and I sent it into the group. And I also sent a video of how to like translate it. If you want to translate it, write it in a notebook to have it there, have it at a quick at a glance, to just refer to it. So we have أنا طالب, أنا مدرس, أنا طبيب, أنا مصري, أنا تركي, أنا سوري, right? And we could do the same thing for the other one. We have أنت طالب, أنت مدرس, أنت طبيب, أنت مصري, أنت تركي, أنت سوري. And you could do the same thing for huwa as well. Likewise here, we have ana for females. And then we have طالبة, أنا طالبة, أنا مدرسة, أنا طبيبة, أنا مصرية, أنا تركية, أنا سورية. Right? And like that. And you can do the same thing for anti طالبة, أنت طالبة, أنت مدرسة, أنت طبيبة, أنت مصرية, أنت تركية. Anti Turkiya, anti Suriya, right? And it's like that. And you're gonna be doing that for all of them. You're not gonna write anything there. It's just for reference. It's just for you to refer to in the future and for the going week, inshallah. Okay, this is essentially everything that we just learned in the 2 days on one page, right? To have here as well, if you go down, we have a few more stuff there, like we have min aina, right? We have min aina ant. So we say ant if you're speaking. Okay, we end on sukun, but for the sake of learning purposes, right now you end with this with the sound min aina anta, min aina anti, min aina huwa, min aina hiya, right? We have those there, and then afterwards we have the response for that on the next page, or on the next side of the page there. We have Ana min Pakistan, or we have anti or anta min Pakistan, for example. Or you could say anti min Turkey. You see, even though it's female, it doesn't affect the country. The country is still going to stay the same. The country is going to stay the same and not going to be affected by just because of female you're speaking to or male you're speaking to. It's only if you learn languages before, if you study languages before, like if you study French and Spanish like in school, you realize that certain languages like French and Spanish, they are affected by the endings when you're speaking to a female or speaking to a group of females, or you're speaking to a male, or speaking to a group of males. Like for example, hermano, or hermana, right? That's just an example there, right? But yeah, so that's just one example there. But similarly to لغة عربية, we have this thing here where we pay attention to the endings of words, right? The endings of words could change the entire sentence, right? If you say, for example, Huwa Pakistan, right? You forgot the ending, yeah. Simple thing. You just forgot, yeah. You just say, he is Pakistan. He is Pakistan. That don't make any sense, right? That don't make any sense. You'll be speaking to somebody in Saudi Arabia or in some other Arab country, and you say that. They want to know, like, they understand what you mean, but it's something like, who are Trinidad? He's Trinidad. He's Trinidad. She's Trinidad. I's Trinidad. Like, what I mean? Like, what are we talking about, right? It's crazy. So this is important to remember the endings. Right now, we're going to focus on the endings. Inshallah, when we move on, we're going to focus on the beginnings of words. but we're gonna focus. But alhamdulillah, I love how the book is structured. The structure is with the endings of the word, the words first. Alright, and then we have here going down, we have hal, and now we have hal anta Pakistani, hal anti Pakistaniya, right? Hal anta Misri, hal anti Misriya, right? Hal anta Suri, hal anti Suriya, like that. And then we have the response for that. Naam. You could also say la, but for now we just focus on one word, right? So we have Naam ana Pakistani, Naam, Naam ana Turki, and so forth. Naam ana Pakistaniya, Naam ana Turkiya, ila akhiri. Ila akhiri means etc. And the last one here, as we can see, is the word هذا and هذه. We learned that already. هذا means this. هذه also means this, but speaks to a female. So هذا أخي, هذا صديقي, right? هذه أختي, هذه صديقتي, right? Female. And then we have ismi. Ismi is universal. Ismi for male, ismi for female. You notice that the ya for my doesn't change. Similarly, ana doesn't change. Universal. Male or female, ana. Male or female, the ya at the end. Right? Only changes when you're speaking to somebody or about somebody, right? Or somebody else. You have to focus on the endings of the words. Alright, and that is it there. This here, this other page here, speaking about like sounds of letters and stuff like that. We're not gonna go into that too much. We'll do it next class. We just run through it. It's just like they're saying how kha is used, so you don't get mixed up when using kha. I think one of the brothers, they made a mistake with kha and they said ka, like akhi, which is a very common thing. We doesn't say akhi in Trinidad often. We say aki. Yeah, aki, and that is wrong, right? So using kha and using kha correctly and how to say it. All right, and that's essentially it as class there. Any questions? All right, so no questions. All right, طيب. So I would send homework, inshallah, the homework due for the end of the week. Make us send it in throughout the week. That'll be best thing. And the people who send the homework firstly, earlier, I'll be organizing some prizes for them, some books for them, inshallah, that I'll get from the stores. Let's pick two people from the brothers, 2 people from the sisters. Obviously they show like a dedication to learning the Lughata Arabiyyah, and I'll get something for you to use, practice your reading, and that you could focus on. I'll get something from the Mu'assasa, from the foundation of Ibn Uthaymin, inshallah. Alright, سبحانك اللهم وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت وأستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.